Hello, welcome to today's bike riding journey through the rice fields of Kyoto, Japan. I've been riding for almost 40 minutes now. Just thought I'd take a break and film one of the most gorgeous views I saw today, and I've seen several. Passed a couple lovely water wheels. I love the sound of just the water running to the rice fields. It's beautiful out here. It's always hard to pick a direction before I start, which way to go. Everything looks so good. And you know what? My favorite food has always been rice, even before I knew what or where Japan was.